Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we are counting down because it's Vlogmas, and we will be creating a Christmas tree glam frame with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So we're going to start out by cutting that adhesive silver bling wrap to the size of the frame, and that's what I'm doing here. So once I have that cut out, we're going to go ahead and lay the bling wrap down, and I'm going to place the back cover of that frame to the bling wrap, so this way it doesn't move anywhere. So I'm using an item called Liquitex, which works a lot like Mod Podge, except it's a thicker high gloss finish. So I'm going to apply that onto these wooden Christmas trees ornaments that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and this I believe was in a pack of either 6 or 8. I'm not sure what the count is, but I had 2 of them left over, and we are going to be applying a thick layer of that Liquitex, and then we're going to go ahead and use some black glitter. So we're making the Christmas trees in black. I usually like to pat the glitter down onto the Liquitex or Mod Podge, whatever you're using, and then we're going to set that aside and continue working. So what I decided to do with the frame is I went ahead and got my loose gems, and we're going to go ahead and place gems all around this frame. So you can't ever have too much bling. So we're done with the loose gems. We're going to flip that frame over and we're going to place the backing back into the frame. Okay, so I'm pulling the Christmas trees back over. I thought I was able to use two, but I do believe we're going to use just one. And then we're going to go ahead and embellish that. Once I figure out the placement, then I'm going to turn the tree around, place some hot glue, and we're going to hot glue it right to the center of that frame. So then I decided to bring the loose gems back, and we're going to place them on that Christmas tree as though they were ornaments, and that's what I'm doing here. So this glam Christmas tree frame came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. It is beautiful. I'm so happy with it. I hope you like it just as much as I do. So now let's head on over to the reveal. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays.